You're watching CTOM TV. Knowledge is power.
So the tumor response is referred to as the adaptive immune system.
All right.
And so what happens is when you have a tumor or any sort of pathogen that's growing in your body, what will happen is these cells called APC cells, antigen presenting cells, will come to the site and they'll see a tumor cell and they will eat this tumor cell. They'll break it down, they'll digest it into little pieces, and then they will take a piece of that is recognizable, and they will present it on the surface of themselves in something called a MHC class 1. Then they will take that over to these cytotoxic TILs. They also take it to the Tregs, and they will present it to the TILs. And then the TILs will actually have a identity, or they'll have an identification marker to look for.
Right.
So they'll create this, they'll go after any cell, this antigen presenting cell. An antigen is anything that creates an antibody or a response to a T cell. So basically the process is the APC cells come in, they attack the tumor, they digest it, and they take a protein from the surface of the tumor cell, and they put it onto this thing called the MHC1, which is called the major histocompatibility class 1. And they will put it on there, and it's like a little surface thing that goes on the outside of the APC cell. And then they will go over to the TILs, and they will give it to the TILs, and the TILs will say, hey, now we know what we're looking for.
Right. Now,
they'll also activate the TILs and the Tregs to multiply many times over. So there's a big army of them. So what they do is they basically are the generals of the immune system. They tell the soldiers, which are the TILs and to a certain degree the Tregs, to go out and find a certain type of cell, which is the tumor cell.
Thank you for watching CTOM TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.